Welcome back to our English grammar lesson. Today we will be discussing the various uses of the preposition at. The first use of at is to indicate a specific place or location, like I am at home. When talking about public places, we also use at, as in I am at the mall. Another usage is to express a specific point in time, such as I have a meeting at 3 o'clock. We use at to talk about holiday celebrations too, like I will visit my family at Christmas. Additionally, at can be used to specify a period of time, as in, she sleeps at night. We often use at to describe an activity happening at a particular event, for example, I met him at the concert. At is also used to indicate a price or rate, like, this shirt is on sale at $20. When talking about the rate of speed, at is used in sentences like, he was driving at 80 miles. Furthermore, we use at when referring to an email or website address, such as, you can reach me at info@example.com. Like and subscribe to Guruji English classes. Ask all questions, queries and doubts and get complete support.